Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So as I promised that I will come up with the part 2 of kids tiffin box ideas. So here I am. I hope part 1 definitely helped most of you, and this one will also help by deciding what to make and how to make for your super active kids. So for the day 1, I'm giving him tomato rice and raita. So here is one tip for you. Wash the rice thoroughly before preparing, twice or thrice. If we wash rice properly, it will remove the excess starch, and which results in the grains that are more separate when cooked. In hot oil, I'm going to add bay leaf, cinnamon stick, 2-3 cloves, black cardamom, cumin seeds and coriander seeds. You can also add some nuts of your choice. I'm here adding some cashews. At this stage, add some basic spices like red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder and salt. Till rice are getting cooked, let's prepare some cucumber raita, which are very good for summers. So for that I have taken curd, fresh curd, and to that I am adding grated cucumber. Add some black pepper powder, black salt and coriander leaves and mint leaves. Mint leaves give freshness to this, and here it is ready. So for the next day, he asked for the white sauce pasta. I have already shared one of the pasta recipes, which is the pine nut pasta. In that case, the sauce which I have made is made of the pine nuts. That was the healthier version of this one, and in this is the traditional one in which I have used the maida and milk to make the white sauce. So the next one is pizza bread sandwich, all-time favorites of all the kids. As in my birthday vlog, I have shared that my son is demanding for the pizza bread, but instead of making pizza bread, I have turned it into a sandwich. So I was running out of pizza sauce, so I have added Szechuan chutney, which is quite similar to that. So for the tiffin I have given roasted makhanas, one Kit Kat bar, and in the fruit I have given apples. So the next recipe is bread roll, which is mine favorite too. When I was kid, I loved that. It was easy to munch and filling also. So I have taken the boiled potato, and in that I have added onions and coriander and mint leaves. Add black pepper powder, bhuna hua jeera powder, and then I have added some salt. So here is one tip. Whenever you make a bread roll, before frying, rest them for a 5 to 10 minutes so that the extra moisture get evaporated. And always fry them on a medium flame. So I hope you liked today's video. So if you like it, then please share and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.